Hello students, myself Kodia from LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. So in last session we solved some numerical based on flywheel and turning moment diagram. So in today's session we have to solve one numerical based on the punching press. Now you all know what is the function of punching press. Function of punching press is to drill the hole in a sheet metal. Clear? So now we have to solve one numerical based on the punching press. Now first of all you have to understand that there is two types of energy in punching press. Clear? First energy is energy required for one punching operation. We denote that energy as a capital E1, and second energy is energy required for actual punching, that is capital E2. So you have to remember these two energy. First one is energy required for one punching operation, one wall punching operation, that is duration of that is 360 degree. And second energy, that is energy required for actual punching. Actual punching means whenever punch come in contact with metal and drill a hole in the sheet. Clear? That is the actual punching. Now we have to solve one numerical based on the punching press. So punching press is driven by constant torque electric motor. The press is provided with flywheel that rotate at maximum speed of 225 rpm. Now maximum speed is given, there is two speed. First one is a maximum speed and second one is a minimum speed. Maximum speed we indicate capital N1 and minimum speed we indicate capital N2. So value of N1, that is 225 rpm. The radius of gyration of flywheel is 0.5 meter, so small k is equal to 0.5 meter. The press punch 720 hole per hour. So in 1 hour there is punch is a drill 720 hole. Clear? Each punching operation take 2 seconds. Clear? The one punching operation take a 2 seconds and required 15 kilonewton into meter of energy. For the one punching operation required energy, that is 15 kilonewton into meter. Find the power of motor. Clear? Now you have to understand what is the power, what is the meaning of power. Energy required per second or energy supplied per second, that is power, joule per second or newton into meter per second. So first of all we have to calculate what is the value of power and the minimum mass of the flywheel if the speed of same is not to fall below 200 rpm. So this is the minimum speed, that is indicate 200 rpm. So we have two speed, maximum speed capital N1 225 rpm and second one minimum speed, that is capital N2 indicate 200 rpm. Clear? So we have to calculate the value of mass and value of power. So in this numerical we have to calculate two values. First one is power, energy supplied per second, and second is a value of mass. Clear? So we have to first of all we have to derive the given data. So capital N1 is equal to 225 rpm. Second one is radius of gyration, that is 0.5 meter. Third one, hole punch. Now there is a 720 hole per hour. Clear? Next one is capital E1, energy required for one punching operation, that is 15 kilonewton into meter. Clear? Energy required for one punching operation indicated by capital E1 and value of capital E1 is 15 kilonewton into meter. And we have to convert this value into newton into meter. So you have to multiply with 10 raised to 3 with this value. So 15 into 10 raised to 3, that is value of energy required for one punching operation. And the minimum speed, that is 200 rpm. Clear? So we have to calculate based on N1 and N2 capital N. Now capital N indicate mean speed. It is the average speed of maximum speed and minimum speed. So this is the given data. Based on this data we have to calculate the value of power and value of mass of the flywheel. Clear? Okay, first of all we have to calculate the value of power. We know that the total energy required per second, clear, is equal to energy supplied per hole into number of hole per second. Now number of hole cancel out from both sides. So unit of this equation, that is energy required per second, and you all know energy required per second indicate the value of the power. So energy required per hour, that is 15 into 10 raised to 3 into number of hour per second. In data there is given number of hour per hour, that is 720 hour per hour. Now we have to convert this value in the number of second. Clear? So number of hour per second, so we have to convert 720 hour per hour into 720 hour per second. So you have to divide this value with 3600. Clear? So 15 into 10 raised to 3 into 720 upon 3600 is equal to 3000 Newton into meter per second. Clear? So this is the value of power, 3000 Newton into meter per second, or 3000 joule per second, or 3000 watt. Energy supplied per second. Clear? Now for the actual punching operation take a 2 seconds. So for the 1 second we deliver power at 3000 watt. So for the 2 seconds we have to supply power 6000 Newton into meter per second. Now you all know there is two types of energy. Capital E1 indicate energy required for one punching operation, that is 15,000 Newton into meter, and this energy is energy supplied for the 2 seconds, because punching operation take a 2 seconds. Actual punching operation take a 2 seconds. Clear? So for the 1 second we deliver power 3000. For the 2 seconds we have to supply power 6000. Clear? So power of motor is equal to 3000 watt or 3 kilowatt. Clear? Okay. Now minimum mass of the flywheel. Now we have to calculate the mass of the flywheel. Clear? So now we have the energy equation for the maximum fluctuation of energy, that is delta E. Now what is the equation for the delta E? That is delta E is equal to I omega square Cs. Now instead of I you can put mk square. So based on this equation you can find the value of m. Clear? For the find out value of m, you have to calculate, first of all you have to calculate value of delta E and value of omega and value of Cs. Clear? So let small m is equal to minimum mass of the flywheel. Since each punching operation take 2 seconds, therefore energy supplied by motor in 2 seconds, that is E2 is equal to 3000 into 2 is equal to 6000 Newton into meter. Now we have two values, capital E1 and capital E2. Clear? If you find out difference of maximum energy and minimum energy, then you can calculate the value of maximum fluctuation of energy, that is delta E. What is the equation of delta E? That is E max minus E min, that means E1 minus E2. So energy to be supplied by the flywheel during punching or maximum fluctuation of energy, that is delta E is equal to E1 minus E2. Put the value of E1 and E2 over here. So value of E1, that is 15 into 10 raised to 3 minus 6000 is equal to 9000 Newton into meter. That is the value of delta E. Now we calculate the value of delta E, that is 9000 Newton into meter. Now delta E equation for the delta E is equal to ECS. Second equation for the delta E, that is I omega square Cs. Now based on that you have to calculate the value of mass of the flywheel. Here now mean speed of the flywheel. Now in the data two types of speed is given, maximum speed and minimum speed. If you find the average of that speed, then you can calculate the value of mean speed. So small n is equal to n1 plus n2 by 2. Put the value of n1 and n2 over here. So 225 plus 200 divided by 2 is equal to 212.5 rpm. That is the value of mean speed. Now we know that maximum fluctuation of energy delta E is equal to I omega square Cs, or delta E is equal to I omega 1 minus omega 2, or delta E is equal to I omega 1 minus omega 2, and instead of omega you have to put the value of 2 pi n by 60. Clear? Put all value over here. Delta E is equal to 9000 is equal to I is equal to mk square. Put the value of m over here, put the value of radius of gyration over here, and instead of n you have to, instead of omega you have to put 2 pi n by 60, Instead of N1, you have to use the equation for the omega 1, and for the value of N2, you have to use equation for the omega 2. Clear? So put the whole value over here, and equation converted in the form of 9000 is equal to pi square upon 900 into mk square into n into n1 minus n2. Clear? Now there is only one unknown in this equation, that is small m. Clear? So pi square upon 900 into m, 0.5 radius of gyration, 215.5 mean speed, and 225 minus 200, that is n1 and n2, is equal to 14.565 m. Now you have to calculate a value of mass using this equation. So m is equal to 9000 upon 14.565 is equal to 618 kg. This is the value of mass of the flywheel, that is 618 kg. Clear? So this is the example based on punching press. Now you all know, once again I explain you, that is there is two types of energy. First energy is E1, second energy is E2. E1 energy indicate energy required for one punching operation. Clear? And E2 energy, that means energy required for actual punching. Clear? So in E1 energy, there is a crank rotate 360 degree, but in E2 energy, crank rotate only that portion whenever punch come in contact with the metal. Clear? And drill that metal. That is the energy required for the punching, actual punching operation, that is E2. And in this numerical, the time required for actual punching, that is 2 seconds. Clear? So we have to calculate energy supplied for the 2 seconds. For find out energy supplied for 2 seconds, first of all we have to calculate energy supplied for the 1 second. And you all know what is energy supplied for the per second, that is indicate the value of power. Because of that, we already calculate the value of power, that is 3000 watt. Clear? Or 3 kilowatt or 3000 Newton into meter per second. Clear? So this is the example for the flywheel in punching press, and you have to use only one equation for that, that is delta E is equal to I omega square Cs, or delta E is equal to I omega 1 minus omega 2. Instead of omega, you have to put 2 pi n by 60, and this equation converted in the form of mk square and n1 minus n2. Clear? So this is the numerical based on flywheel punching press. We already solved one numerical based on the turning moment diagram. We already derived equation for the punching press and maximum fluctuation of energy. So in next session we will discuss and we will solve one numerical based on turning moment diagram for the multi-cylinder engine. Clear? So in today's session we discussed numerical based on punching press. Okay?